Hindi Snooker Vision 2032. It's all about improving coaching skills among coaches. So it does not matter wherever you are living, any part of the world, you can join online Hindi Snooker Coach Certification Program. We've already got countries like Australia, we've got certified coaches in India, we've got certified coaches in Kenya. So you can also apply to join Hindi Snooker Coach Certification Program from any part of the world. And be serious about the game. It does not matter whether you are playing now. You may have left the game for a year, for so many years because of some reasons, but now it's time to learn more about coaching and help your student playing better snooker and understand modern snooker. So join now Hindi Snooker Coach Certification Program and become a certified snooker coach so you can do a lot for snooker, the game you love. So join now. My WhatsApp numbers are there. Send me a message from any part of the world and become Hindi Snooker Certified Snooker Coach.